Welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching.
Ladies and gents, once again, the prosperity dance of our wedding couple of the day. The long ring is over for Mrs. Leia Grace Abingunar for Mares Seracosa and Sir Pierre Seracosa. Sino na po ang susunod sa ating principal sponsors and the relatives and friends? Ready. Plus 18 po. Para mag-25 may bonus na. Pero kami after ng bagyo, ibinigay na! At kayo natin ang mga success drop of music para sa inyo. The Patrina music, the disco music, and the sweet music crown of our wedding couple of today. Hey! Hala! Ano ito? Hala ka!
Kumusta ang biyahe? Napagal ka daw. Marina, pinagluto ka.
Let's do the sweet music round.
Cool Express, pansit pa ito. Igong laing may siling lagu. Ay, naguyo.
Round the Patrina music is the sweet music round. The sweet music round of our wedding couple of the day. O sir, pastigyo ang ating moderator. Ibinalik sa kantumina. Para po sa mga kamag-anakan, kapatid, tapos na po ang ating mga linaw at ninang. Eto na, yung mga hindi pa sumasalit at may natitira pa. Pwedeng envelope, pwedeng chikas, pwedeng greetings. Another instrumental pantomime music to our wedding couple of the day. Sir Pierre, ano kaya kayo sir? Hanakan mo nga ako ng I feel good kung meron ka dyan. Lulukuhin ko ni Sir Pierre habang naglalagay sila ng baso doon sa ating presidential table. Let's do now the I feel good! Mamaya, pag okay na, sabihin mo lang sa akin. There you have it, ladies and gents. Andito na po ang mga friends, the batchmate of Ma'am Leia and the circle of friends. Sana po mamaya after the party, mag-meet and greet tayo para makita natin si Sir Pierre. The kumari kong public kamag-anakan, the ABC5, the ABS-CBN soon, and the Kapuso Network. Nasaan na? At habang tayo nagbibilang, meron tayong Sunday edit, I think, na need to prepare short sa pagbibilang po ng ating mga tabulators for the earnings ngayong araw. At habang ang mga kapinsanan, nagpe-prepare pa ng mga pera para sumabit, don't you worry. 5 songs po tayo, 3 remaining songs. Kasarap na ito, lisunod na lang, Dragon! The Rivers of Babylon, Sir Pierre! Kung ano ang music, yun ang sayaw ko. Alam mong mahalikan.
Mas gimado kan, basta no?
At ang alam, 3, 2, 1, go! Yes, ma'am! Okay, sir! Yeah! Once upon a time, Manila! Next is the Rivers of Babylon. Para sumayaw ni Sir Jeff. Yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord! Ang ganda ng mga babae Pilipina.
Once again, the Viva Friends and Nephews and Nieces.
Ang mga babae
And the first cousin. Thank you very much, Pastor. God bless you. This will be our wedding couple of the day. I don't know what's that. Pag napupunto, pakulit lang na sila. Kasama ka! Come on! Go down the hill! Ready! On the last music, Mr. Operator, once again, the sweet music round of our wedding couple of the day. Brought about with the music, the Rivers of Babylon, the Wow Gandang Pilipina. Pag napuno, babawiin na nag-higit handstand. Mr. Operator, let's do now the sweet music round once again. Dapat taka.
Dahil napagalitan daw Pinagluto ka labi ko express Pansit pa ito ibong laing damay Siling love you Ay,
Sabay for the last music round. Pero pala, bago tayo maglagay sa tagay para sa additional messages.
Mo ako, libuton niya
If not, may I request our videographer and photographer, please? Wala naman. May I request the principal sponsors and the parents
ngayon
para sa picture taking natin. May I request the parents, please? Tatay Eddie, Nanay Kelly, Sir Jerry, and Ma'am Mary Ann, para po sa picture taking natin. Huwag na kayo, sir. May I request, Ma'am Mary Ann, please? Nanay Kelly para sa parents photos opportunity. Tatay Eddie, Tatay Jerry, please. Okay. Sige na po, Mother. And up next, our principal sponsors po. Medyo tagilid yung smile. Sir, pag-isa ko kay kikis si Ma'am Perry kay Ate Daya, Sir Ma'am Merenman. Let's go, Ma'am. Yeah, sa pisngi. Kiss ka, Ma'am. Wow, kita man sila. Yeah, thank you very much to our parents. May request